What's up, watch addicts? Just wanted to do a special unboxing today with you guys for a company called Proxima and their sister brand Uni-dive. So what I've got here is the Uni-dive Bronze Samurai Homage in the Venom colorway. So we'll put that off to the side for a second here. So pretty standard AliExpress kit. You get a nicely wrapped watch in this nicely foamed and padded box, which keeps the watch nice and secure for its transit over the ocean. Pretty standard fare. Now let's get onto the watch itself. So this is from a company called Proxima, and I own a couple of their other watches. And you know what? Honestly, I've been quite impressed with all of their watches. The one thing that they do, which is a little bit different than some of the other companies, is that when you order the watch, they build it for you to those specifications. So not all of their watches are pre-built. And what that means is they're able to send you pictures of those watches as they're being built, and also they're able to regulate the movements to very tight tolerances. And for all of my watches, I've had nothing but good things to say about Proxima. Now these are actually some photos from the actual watch that I got in my messages from Proxima. So they really do go out of their way to make sure they show pictures of your actual watch to you, which is really unique to Proxima and Uni-dive. So they've got a few different colorways for this Bronze Samurai Homage here. They've got this blue, navy blue, teal-ish color, the Venom, which I've got here, the Blush, and this Hornet colorway. And I thought the Hornet was really interesting, but I think in the end, the contrast with the Venom and the Bronze is what really won me over. Because with the Hornet, the yellow was just a little bit too close to the bronze in color, and I didn't think that it provided as nice of a contrast as this Venom colorway. Now let's take a look at this colorway. I thought it was pretty interesting. So they call this the Venom colorway, and it's got the blue or purple and the black, sort of in almost like a gradient, especially on the dial here. Now on the bezel itself, it's a pretty clear cutoff, but that dial is what really drew me in. That purple fade to black dial is really, really neat, and not something that you see on a lot of watches. And I know the Uni-dive logo is a little bit divisive amongst the watch community, but I think with a watch that's really quite unique like this one, that Uni-dive logo really does work. So it looks like you get a bronze buckle with the bronze watch. You get a nicely aligned bezel insert. And honestly, this just feels like a pretty solid watch. And you can see that little blue AR coating there with the studio lights. But overall, it feels solid, it feels substantial, and I think I really do like it right now. And honestly, I'm probably just going to have more positive things to say at the actual review. But stay tuned if you guys are interested. I'll be uploading the review soon here for this Bronze Proxima in Venom colorways.